On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very easy, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. I will show you a free traffic source and the best product that you can promote to make money from home. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many of them, but in this case I'm using Digest24. Digest24, it is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can create an account on Digest24 and then find affiliate products that you can promote to make money from home. They have a lot of different payment methods that you can use to receive your money anytime you earn money on this website. So search for Digest24. Once you search for it, it is easy to create your account. Just create an account and log in. Once you log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. There are a lot of different products on this platform that you can promote to earn money from home. If you want, you can just scroll down this way. Once you scroll down, you can select any of the products that you are seeing and then promote it so that you can get people to purchase it. Once people purchase it, you are going to be earning a commission on Digest24. You can see a whole lot of different products and the commission rate. This one, for example, you can see you are going to be earning $127.11 per every sale that you get. There are many of them, so what you have to do is that you have to scroll and then select the one that you want so that you can promote it. On Digest24, most of the products, you don't need an approval to promote them. All that you need to do is that you have to click on promote now, just like this, promote now. Once you click on it, you can get access to an affiliate link which you can promote to get people to buy the product through your affiliate link. Once they purchase the product through your affiliate link, you are going to be paid a commission. This one, for example, you are going to be earning $86.48 per every sale that you get. There are many of them, so if you want, you can click on page 2, page 3, and many other pages. Just click on any of the pages that you want so that you can find products to promote. Let me click on page 3 for you to see. Once I click on page 3, you can see this is a product that you can promote. There are many of them. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. If you want a specific category of products that you want to promote, all that you need to do is that you have to come this side. You can see they have digital products, events and seminars, services, shipping products. The shipping products are physical products, so when you click on it, you can see they have skincare product, food supplements. So any specific category that you want, you can click on it and then find a product to promote. You can see under services, when you click on it, you can see these are the two subcategories. Under events and seminars, you can see, but most of these subcategories, there are no available products. But under finance, you can see they have about 3 products that you can promote. Under leadership and management, they have about 3 products that you can promote. When you come to the digital products, they have a lot of available products that you can promote. You can see under the digital products, animals and pets, you can get about 24 different available products that you can promote. Under betting system, you can get up to 6 products. Business and investment, 149 available products. You can see a many others. All the categories under digital products, you can find an available product that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different categories, and they have a lot of different available products that you can promote to make money from home. So click on the one that you want so that you can find a product to promote. In this case, I already have a specific product that I want to promote, so I'm going to scroll down and then show you how you can also promote it to make money from home. So let me scroll down. This is the product that I've been promoting recently. You can see the cart conversion rate is high. It has a cart conversion rate of 24%. That means if you get 100 clicks, 200 clicks, 500 clicks, 600 clicks, about 24% of those clicks are going to convert to sales. So it is one of the best that you can promote. This one right here, it also have a good cart conversion rate, but the commission rate is low as compared to this one right here. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting this product. The commission rate is good and the cart conversion rate is also good. So if you promote a product like this, there's a likelihood that you make a sale anytime you get people to click on your affiliate link. So click on the product so that you can begin promoting it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see the available resources that the product owner has for you that you can use to promote the product. You can see a whole lot of different information. What you have to do is that you have to contact the product owner so that they can give the affiliate resources that you need to promote the product. So click right here, contact us, so that you can get your affiliate resources. In this case, I don't need any affiliate resources, so I'm not going to contact anyone. What I need to do is that I have to click on the sales page so that I can learn more information about the product. So if you are new to the product, you have to click on the sales page and then read more details about the product so that you can be able to promote it well. You need to get first-hand information about the product before you promote it to others. You don't have to promote a product which you know nothing about to others. You must know some basic information about the product before you promote it to others. Once you click on the sales page, you can see this is the landing page. This is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see before they decide to purchase the product. You can see it is a dental product. When you scroll down, you can see more information about the product. You can see the ingredients, everything about the product, the bonuses that your potential customers are going to get when they make a purchase, and many other information. You can see testimonials and many other information about the product. So what you have to do is that you have to take your time and then read everything so that you can understand the product well before you promote it. Once you have gotten some basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. For example, if you click right here, copy promo link, once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. So you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on it and then make the purchase so that you can earn a commission on the Store 24. There are several traffic sources that you can use, but in this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you 2 traffic sources that you can use to get people to purchase the product. You are not required to buy any traffic, everything is free. The first website that we are going to be using to advertise our affiliate link is globalclassifieds.net. Globalclassifieds.net is one of the best classifieds website where you can post your ad for free, and you can post a lot of ads within a day. So what you have to do is that you are not required to make any sign up. All that you need to do is that you have to select a category on the Store 24, find a product. Once you get a product, come on this website globalclassifieds.net and then find the same category so that you can post an ad about the product that you are promoting for free. They are available in different countries. As you can see, they are available worldwide. You can see they are available in the United States, London, and you can see other countries. Other countries represent the whole world. So when you click on other countries, you will see the list of countries that you can post your ad for free. As I click on it, you can see these are other countries. You can see they have Australia, you can see Belize, Brazil, you can see Canada, the rest. You can see a whole lot of different countries that you can post your ad for free without paying for anything. You can see a whole lot of different countries. Now what you have to do is that you have to begin posting your ad so that you can get people to purchase your product. To post an ad, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post free ad. Once you click on it, what you have to do is that you have to select a country. You can see there are a lot of different countries that you can select. Select any country that you want so that you can get people to purchase the product. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select a tier 1 country. The tier 1 countries are New Zealand, United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, and South Africa. So those are countries where you can post your ad and then get people to purchase the product so that you can be making money. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select the United States. So click right here, USA. Once you click on the United States, you have to select the category that you want to post your ad. In this case, it is an item for sale. So click right here, for sale. Once you click on for sale, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the specific subcategory of the ad that you are posting. It is a supplement that helps people to have strong teeth. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select food and supplies. Once you select food and supplies, the next step is that you have to enter the title of your ad, then write a description about the ad that you are posting. I usually use ChatGPT to write all these details for me, but if you want, you can write it yourself and then post it onto the website. If you are using ChatGPT to write your details, all that you need to do is that you have to type a prompt like write an ad description for ProDentin supplement. That is the name of the product, ProDentin supplement. Just type something like this. Once you type it, ChatGPT will write a title and a description for you. As you can see, this is an example of a title and a description that ChatGPT has written for me. You can see everything, so you can type something like this. It has even added testimonials, you can see. So just write a prompt so that ChatGPT will write everything for you. Once it has written everything, highlight the title of the description, highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back on your ad and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to go back on ChatGPT. Once you come back, highlight the description, highlight everything. Once you highlight it, copy it. Once you copy it, come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your description, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link so that you can get people to click on it and then purchase the product so that you can be making money. You can see there's a call to action right here. Order now and discover the power of true radiant smile. So you have to insert your affiliate link right here. To get your affiliate link, come back on this student for click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, you have to come back and then highlight the call to action, highlight everything. Once you highlight it, click on this icon. Once you click on it, delete this text. Once you delete it, paste your affiliate link here, click on OK. As you can see, that has been done. Your affiliate link has been inserted. Let me scroll down so that you can see the preview. This is the preview of it. You can see your affiliate link has been inserted. So when you publish your ad, it is going to appear like this, and when people click on it, they are going to be directed to the product landing page so that they can read more information about the product before they decide to make a purchase for you to earn money on Store 24. Now once you have entered your description, the next step is that you have to insert your email here. So just enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, you can see they have three options. If you want your email to be displayed, you can select the option display my email on the side. If you don't want your email to be displayed, you can select the first one, but in this case I'm going to leave it at a default. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to upload images of the product. What I usually do is that I search for the name of the product on Google so that I can get images to upload onto my ad. So open a new tab and then search for Prodentim images. Just search for Prodentim images, or you can search for Prodentim supplement. Any way that you search, you are going to see a page like this. Click on images. Once you click on images, you can see a whole lot of different images about the product. Right click on any of the images that you want. Once you right click on it, select save images. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on save so that the image can be downloaded onto your device. Just download as many images as you want so that you can use them on your ad. There are many of them. Just download as many as you want so that you can use them to promote the product. Now once you have downloaded your images, the next step is that you have to come right here, click on choose file. Once you click on it, you can select your images and then upload them. Select your images and then upload them. Click on choose file, select the images that you downloaded and then upload them on your ad. Once you upload your images, the next step is that you have to check this box. People can contact me with commercial interest. Once that is done, you have to agree to the terms of use. So click on this box. Once that is done, if you want to promote your ad, you can click right here, featured ad. Once you click on it, these are the options that you can select and then make a payment. The featured ad means your ad is going to be ranked at the top of the category that you want to post your ad. Apart from that, you can also extend the ad. That means you can extend the number of days that your ad will be on the website. So if you want it to be on the website more than 30 days, this is the option that you have to select, and you have to pay $5. You can see $10, $15, $20. Any of them that you can afford, you can select it. But in this case, we are not going to select any of the options. We want to make money with free ads so that we can then invest into paid ads. So just leave it like this and then click on post now. Once you click on it, congratulations, your ad successfully posted and live. So your ad is live on this website. You can get people to view it and then click on your affiliate link so that they can make a purchase for you to earn money. Apart from this website, there's another website that you can post your ads for free without paying for anything. Alright, the next website that you can post your ads for free is highlandclassifieds.com. highlandclassifieds.com. highlandclassifieds.com is one of the free traffic sources that you can also post your ad. So what you have to do is that you have to select the category that you want to post your ad so that you can post it for free without paying for anything. In our case, what you have to do is that you have to select business opportunities. Once you select business opportunities, you can see for sale. That means you want to sell an item. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can then select the health category so that you can post the supplement that you are promoting. Once you post it, you are going to get people to purchase it so that you can be making money. That is it for today's video. Make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world without investing any money. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.